Yeah, hi Les, Mark again. Okay, number 4. So this is the number 4 one. Okay, again, this one did need quite a bit of work on it. There was about 4 components that actually were off of the actual main board, and thankfully, I've got tons of boards. So I've nicked some components off of an old board that that I use for scrap when I need bits and pieces. So I've done that one. So basically with this one I've given it a good service for you, checked the micro switch, given that a bit of a clean up, and I've obviously stuck a new laser in there as requested, and there you go. So that's number 4. So yeah, that's all working again. It's been on test now for several hours, just running while I'm doing other bits and pieces. So this one's all ready to go out as well. So yeah, I'll just get your other video. I've done the other one as well, it's done. So yeah, this one's all good now, it's all working. So yeah, thank you very much.